What's up, everyone? This is Ryan here. Today I'm doing a talking about the inflatable turkey. Now, you know this thing will be used this year for 2025, and that's all you can see, but hopefully we have to fix a hole on this inflatable, you can see, because, well, this thing has got a hole in it, you can see, because you know how it's set this thing, you can see, because, I know this thing got a hole in it, because you know how expected this thing is going to get used almost like quite a bit, because you know how expected this thing is going to get, which, it would definitely get used this year again. I know the box was not damaged like this. It wasn't like this at all. You can see because you know I expected this thing exactly, which is definitely how much I expected this thing exactly. So it will definitely get used this year again for 2025. You can see this is a 69-203. As you can see, this is not. It was sort of warm on you can see because you see how much I expected this thing exactly, which is definitely what it looks pretty nice when I can. But you can see how much I expected this thing. You can tell because you see how much I expected this thing exactly. You can tell. Now it's got a little hole in the ass or something like that because you know how expected this thing exactly, which second only expected this thing exactly, which I mean it's pretty much what expected thing. So I mean it's 8 feet tall, so you can't expect that how this thing could get used almost like quite a bit because here's the thing though, Zach. This thing is gonna get used almost like quite a bit because you know how expected this thing exactly because I mean here's the thing though, Zach, which is that a little tough playing knife fan, but you tell this thing's gonna get used almost like quite a bit because you know how expected this thing. And I'm pretty sure this thing will get used this year again because we don't know things still works. We're trying to fix it and then we'll fix it this year because I'm pretty sure this thing will get used this year. You can see because it's like how much expected this thing. I do like this inflatable a lot because you see how much expected on this inflatable here exactly, which it's definitely how much you expected this thing exactly, which is definitely looks how pretty nice knife hand. But here's the thing though, Zach, I do like this inflatable, you can see, but it definitely will get used again this year for 2025. This thing will get used again.